Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Today, we're going to turn a speed dial safety razor. Stay tuned. So, today, we are going to turn this safety razor for a gentleman that asked if I could make him one. He buys pins for me when I go out to Ohio for training. So, I told him I'd make him one. So, found a really cool tortoise shell blank. Think I got this at Rockler. This kit I got at PSI, Penn State Industries. Let's see, we've already done the prep. We just need to cut this, drill a hole through it actually, and then cut it. Barrel trim it, get it on the lathe, and that's where you're going to catch me. You guys have seen me do this a bunch of times. Alright guys, well this turned out beautiful. Like, wow. That's just amazing. Tortoise shell look to it. So, part of the reason why it took me a while to make this for Safety Dave is I wanted to find a kit that was not chintzy, and this is beefy and it's pretty safe the way it operates. I'll show you here in a second. So I'm thinking let's go with this in. We're gonna have to go press this on real quick over there. Let me go do that and I'll be right back. Alright, well, tortoiseshell and chrome just is, what? Anyway, so they say in the directions we're supposed to super glue or make this permanent. I'll let the customer decide if that's what he wants. Because if that's what he wants, then that's what he can do. And then this goes in the bottom, down here. And this is like a pressure fit. It's pretty snug, actually, of a fit. I couldn't do an easy task of oh, got it! Oh, see? Even it got afraid of the foreman. So that goes in there. and then you just tighten it down with your safety razor in there. That turned out awesome. The one reason why I really like this is that right there. It is so safe to put in one of these safety razors. And if you think that old technology ain't sharp, that is some sharp razors. I mean, rip your hand up. So that was the other reason. And in the company I work for, we call him Safety Dave. So I guess probably giving him something that's safe would probably be the best thing to do. Just saying. Anyway, but yeah, right here it says it simply. Going on that. That's for the barrel trimmer. But right here, blah blah blah, and you know. But they don't want these two pieces right here to come out. All right, guys. If you liked what you saw, give it a thumbs up on the video. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That'd be pretty cool. See you next time.